I had to go get some gas real quick, man. Scar, you ready, man? We about to do a little drive, alright? Alright, he don't give a fuck. Shit, I'm gonna crack the window a little bit. Man, boy, you fart. This man done farted. Oh my God, boy. Shit, y'all. Man, this motherfucker, I gotta roll the window down a little bit. We got Scar with us, man. I take a little drive. I hate this motherfucker for real. I need to get over. And I ain't asking either, I'm telling you. So, you better let me over. Well, shit, we gon' see. I need to get over. I need to get over, man. And 3 people trying to get over, shit. It's only gonna be one person to the punch, and that's gonna be me, shit. Damn, I'm thinking that's the go. I'm trying to. Man, look. Finna beat him to the punch, man. Shit. I'm trying to go. What's going on? There we go. I ain't even had the speed. They let me over. They ain't let me over. I had to bogart my way as usual. It's alright though. We got over. That's all that matters. He's scared as hell. Shit. It's a crazy roundabout, ain't it? Fuck. Damn, Big Bruce. What the fuck? Why is you in this lane? Big Bruce in this long ass lane. Get over. Pardon me. Pardon me. And we back on the road, man. We got the windows up. Scar ass KO. I got the heat on. That's why it's cold. Got the heat on. I'm finna turn it off. Roll the window down. Wake his ass up. I gotta get over. scared. Nah, he moving. He ain't scared. He wonder what you gonna do. What you gonna do, Benz? What you gonna do, Benz? He ain't gonna do shit. Woo! Don't slow down, nah. Let me roll the window down for y'all. I know y'all hear that whine in there. Alright, nah, I ain't 700 HP, but shit, we damn near up there with him. We damn near up there with him, huh? Damn near. I gotta just, once I get my, oh yeah, let me roll. Oh yeah, let me crack that little motherfucker so I can hear it better. We going up. We going upper. I want to turn the heat off. Oh, it's a charger. We got a charger and a Mustang in front of me. But I think that charger is V6, and I think this is a girl in front of me. Oh yeah, it's a girl. Alright, man. Going across this motherfucking bridge. It's no traffic. Damn. It's no traffic. Scared. I need to get over. Shit. I know y'all hear everything I'm hearing. If not, I feel I can't really justify how good this shit sound. You can hear leaves raking, all type of shit. No hat. Here, leaves raking. You know that's how we coming though. You know that's how we bumming. The boys be hot over here, boy. I'm damn near finna stop this motherfucker for y'all, but I ain't gonna stop until I pull up. Let me turn this heated seat on. This shit crazy. This shit killing me. Come on, man. Hurry up. Hurry up. Shit. You see what I'm on, man. I'm not playing. threw that bitch back regular. They not doing that, man. I'll shake the block right now. Like, no bullshit, no hat. Crazy. I'm crazy, bitch. Move. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Move. Okay, then. Stop it. You better stop it. You better stop it. Motherfucking. Should throw this bitch back in manual. Shit. Shit, nah. Yeah. We crazy. Don't move, bitch. We crazy. Can I make... Oh, y'all done. What the fuck? It's my city. Y'all see, I ain't seen the police not one time. It's my city. So I throw this bitch in manual again for y'all. Woo! Shit. Crazy. Crazy shit, man. They ain't ready for it, Scar. I'm about to get him a little show. I seen the boys down there. They ain't pulled me over. They knew better. But I'm turning up the block. All type of crazy shit. All lit shit. I'm gonna give y'all one more before I end it out. We crazy.